Transport your taste buds to a Mediterranean spice bazaar with this vegetarian kofta with Harissa Tzatziki sauce. In this recipe, we're replacing the traditional ground meat with a vegetarian butcher ground beef, a delicious and versatile plant-based meat alternative. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the Harissa Tzatziki. Place the grated and drained cucumbers in a bowl. Add the yogurt, harissa paste, roasted garlic, cilantro, and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Next, we'll make the kofta using the vegetarian butcher ground beef, a delicious plant-based meat alternative. Combine the vegetarian butcher ground beef, cumin, coriander, harissa paste, smashed garlic, ginger, onion, green onion, parsley, mint, lemon zest, juice, salt and pepper, and mix well. Shape this mixture into 4-inch long rectangles and chill for an hour. Now we're ready to cook our kofta. Preheat a grill and brush the kofta with oil. Place the kofta on the grill and cook, turning periodically until nicely charred and cooked through. Let's get ready to serve. Spread some harissa tzatziki on a flatbread. Add the arugula, sliced tomatoes, and kofta. Sprinkle the mint, parsley, and feta cheese on top and finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. And sprinkle with salt and pepper. So here it is, our finished plant-forward kofta served with our hot and cool harissa tzatziki sauce. Enjoy!